everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Shatabdi. So today I am here at Coorg. As you know, Coorg is called as Scotland of India, and I'll tell you why. So let's begin the journey. And if you're first time on my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.
We started from Bangalore at 5 am in morning. We took the nice road exit towards Bangalore-Mysuru highway. The Bangalore-Mysuru highway is under construction, so we thought to leave early, just to avoid the peak hour traffic. Despite under construction, the Bangalore-Mysuru highway is in nice condition to drive. The roads are smooth and well maintained overall, a reason why travelers prefer to take a ride on this road. There are so many restaurants available on the highway, so even if you miss your breakfast at home, you will have a lot of options available to take a break and enjoy your meal on the way. The drive throughout the journey was beautiful and we really enjoyed our ride to Coorg.
So अभी हम लोग रुके हैं सीसीडी में, मैसूर से थोड़ा आगे, और अभी थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेने के बाद हम लोग निकलेंगे फिर से कुर्ग की तरफ। एंड तो बने रहिए मेरे ब्लॉग में। एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। सो सीसीडी में हम लोग ब्रेक ले लिए हैं और अभी हम लोग फिर से जा रहे हैं कुर्ग की तरफ। एंड अभी भी जर्नी अराउंड 3 to 4 आवर्स दिखा रहा है, सो बने रहिए मेरे ब्लॉग में।
Coorg, also known as Kodagu, is a beautiful hill station in the Indian state of Karnataka. Coorg is famous for its coffee plantation, steep hills, countless streams, lush forest, and breathtaking views, and popularly known as the Scotland of India. The place is indeed a perfect holiday destination for all who need an escape from their daily 9 to 5 hectic life. Being an important holiday destination, Coorg is well connected to other major cities of the country by air, road and rail. Mangalore Airport is the nearest airport from Coorg, which is located about 160 km away. There are lots of deluxe bus services available to Coorg, both government and private buses on a regular basis from cities like Bangalore, Mysuru and Mangalore. Mysuru Railway Junction is the nearest railway station from Coorg, which is around 95 km away.
Hi guys, so right now I am in the hotel. I just checked in. So let's take the room tour.
The room had all the basic amenities, but the valley view was just amazing. Let's have a look through the window.
So guys, right now I am going to see the Raja Seat. It's a popular viewpoint in Madikere in Coorg. So let's go. So guys, right now we're at Raja Seat. Raja Seat is a very mesmerizing viewpoint of Coorg. So there is a beautiful garden they have made here in Raja Seat, and with a lot of animal statues, so probably kids can enjoy a lot over there. And if you go little down from the Raja Seat, you can see a mesmerizing view of the nature.
The garden is well maintained and has an entry charge of Rs 10 per person. Beautifully landscaped gardens and colorful flowers are its highlight. There are many sculptures of animals. The place is a bit crowded as it is popular. You will fall in love with sunset. It's a very pleasant and beautiful experience.
सो गाइस, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बेंचेस बने हुए हैं। यहाँ पे आके आप आराम से बैठ सकते हैं और चिल आउट कर सकते हैं और नेचर का मज़ा ले सकते हैं।
You have benches to sit in front of the valley just as the Raja would see it. Relax and enjoy the view. Raja Seat is a garden area famous for its sunset views and is located at the center of the Coorg. You can spend some amazing time here and view the sunset. Raja Seat is very popular among locals and tourists for viewing sunset. It was once the recreation spot of the royals.
कुर्ग में आने के बाद कुर्ग के ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज़ के साथ अगर कुर्ग की कॉफ़ी टेस्ट नहीं की तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ मिस करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स टेस्ट द कॉफ़ी। So we are here at now Bedside Views, and this place is very famous for their coffees. So let's taste the coffee.
I request the manager of the restaurant to recommend me some local coffee. Even though I am not a coffee person, but still love the coffee and beans brews. This restaurant is also famous for its delicious local cuisines.
सो कुर्ग की लोकल कॉफ़ी की मज़ा ही कुछ अलग है। It's really tasty. So after coffee, I have tasted this hot chocolate over here, and this chocolate looks like really yummy. So I am going to take it. You should taste it. You must. This is like yummy. But God.
In the next video, I am going to take you to some of the most famous places of Coorg. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell notification icon for my upcoming video. Thank you.